Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we are at Ban Naon's house here in Isaan, right next to the Mekong River. Today we are going to cook a gigantic Mekong fish. I don't know exactly the name of this fish in English, but in Thai language it's called pla i tu. Pla i tu is the name of this gigantic, and I think this thing is about 7 kilo. Almost 7 kilo. Today we're gonna make a famous Isaan dish called lap pla. Pla is fish, and lap is kind of like minced with some awesome seasoning in it. Hello, good morning. Merwan.
บอกมานะคะมาชิมปลาอีตูไข่นะคะช่วงนี้ปลาอีตูจะไข่ค่ะที่ตลาดพรเพชรนะคะร้านต้นอ้อปลาน้ำโขงโลละ150 บาทจ้ะราคาต่อรองได้จ้า
We had to get this gigantic fish because that was really all that was there in the market. Right now, the water is pretty high in the Mekong River and it's loaded up with gigantic Mekong fish. There's several different types of species of fish in that river, but they have a lot of big ones right now. So anyway, let's go see what's in the ingredients in the lap pla. Okay, this funny looking thing is actually the fish that we cut up.
Hello,
She already cooked the fish, soup lao, and made it into a ball. And the only thing that's in it is just some lime juice. So she just made it, she cooked it, made it into a ball, and put some lime juice on there, and that's all it is. So what we also have is some vegetables. We've got some shallots. Hom dang is shallots. We've got some mint leaf, and we've got some chopped up green onion, and this is some this is some cilantro, and that is cilantro root.
Green onion too.
And that's just some more green onion. This is the seasoning that Po Sam Chai made for the lap.
Yeah.
And basically it is galanga.
Galanga, chop it in the small.
Galanga root, and just chop it up with some other little special seasoning, some chili pepper powder. My favorite. Page. And yeah, they're going to show us how to prepare it. Of course, some awesome chili peppers. Okay. Looks interesting.
ถุงกันได้หน่อย
ใส่หมด
ใส่หมดเลย
Let's put it all in there. ใส่หมด Wow, this is the easy part. I kind of figured we were going to mix this together. And that is some toasted rice. That's some toasted rice. Awesome Thai chili powder pepper. Awesome. Some sea salt. Yeah.
ไปกินผงสลดอยู่บนเมืองนอก บ้านเฮาเพิ่นใช้แบบนี้นะ
Is that namtan?
ไม่ใช่
น้ำตาล
Sugar? A little bit of MSG.
อีสานคือ
A lot of Isaan food has MSG in it because MSG is awesome. I know you're typing it right now while you're eating your Doritos. Suchot in Thai means good job. Good job. Suchot. We forgot some lime, a little bit of lime. Manao. Lime in Thai language is manao.
เอาพริกไปดิเดี๋ยวลูกเดี๋ยว
บีบลงเลย
Okay. I know that means squeeze it all in there.
จริงๆใส่หลายเฮ็ดพิธีใส่ให้มันเจอ
This is really
หน้ามันหน่อย
easy, right?
นี่ดิเอาเลย
Little bit of seeds, okay, huh?
เอาให้แล้ววันนี้คนแม่อยู่หลังบ้าน
บอกแม่เอาน้ำปลามาในนี้
Okay, all of it? Sai moi?
ใส่หมด
หลังบ้านไป
ทุกอย่าง
จะหมดเลย
Okay, that means put it all in there.
ต้องพักหลายๆมันจังบ่ข้าว
เวลาได้กิน
Wow, that looks really good, huh? And this is gonna be good stuff. Fish sauce.
จะทิ้งใส่
ชิม
ชิม
Meat.
ชิมไหม
บ่อยไปชิมหันหน้าใส่กล้องเลยกว่า
Mm.
อร่อยไหม
Alloy.
เชฟ
That's it. That was super easy.
ต้มปลาต้ม
Man, it tastes so good. Now we are going to make some fish. We're going to make a couple of extra dishes tonight. Some khao ji, which is a grilled sticky rice patty. And we're going to make some fish soup.
แมนแล้วก็หอม
Lemongrass.
Galanga and kaffir lime leaf.
Kaffir lime leaf, which is that right there.
ใส่เกลือนิดหน่อย a little salt. Oil.
เอาปลาลง
Everything goes in, lots of calcium.
แซ่บเลยพอดี
Nothing's going to get wasted with this gigantic fish. They're going to make something else other with the stump with the inside parts called plasom. Plasom. La pla aloy mak.
อร่อย
Aloy.
ผักสด
สารคดีปลาแม่น้ำโขงสวัสดีค่ะ
Sawadee krab.
เยอะมีปั้นข้าวจีปั้นข้าวจีนิดอ่อนตอน
สามพันหน่อยสามชายสามชายโอ้โหเมย์สองชายหนึ่งหญิง
สองชายหนึ่งหญิงกว่าสองหญิงหนึ่งชาย
กุจีข้าวจี
ให้เด็กก็อยากมีได้ไป
Khao ji is usually eaten. We usually eat it in the wintertime, but they sell it year round pretty much everywhere in Isaan. It's just khao niao, which is a sticky rice.
เอามาข้างยานี่
That one's done.
เสร็จแล้วอันนั้นเสร็จแล้ว
อันนั้นเสร็จแล้วอันนั้นเสร็จแล้ว
And they top it with egg yolk, little bit of salt, and some soy sauce for coloring. Also, a very popular thing in Thailand is sang som.
แซงส้ม
Sang som, which is a Thai, it's made in Thailand. It's a Thai rum. Sang som.
แซงส้ม
คุณด่าอันนี้เห็นป่ะจะเขาสิมากินเนี่ยปลาทะเลบ้าปลาทะเลขาวกิน
Chong gao, click the glass. Chong gao. Chong gao. ไม่นิดหน่อยเชื่ออะไรครับเชื่อ
หมกเครื่องในปลา
That's not what she said at first. She said it was
ปลา
Kipla, which I don't know. I don't want to repeat that, but yeah, it's basically the it's inside Kleang Nai,
เครื่องใน
which is the insides. It's yeah. I'm probably not gonna try that. Yeah, I'm not gonna try that. Thai chili pepper. Very spicy. And we have some soup. Look at that.
ลองกันเลยญาติญาติได้เข้ามาแต่พื้นที่สีแดง
เอาจะมากินน้ำปลาปลา
But before everybody shows up, let's give this lapla a try. Lapla Isaan.
ไม่ได้เอาหัวฮักกูมา
อร่อยมาก
เอามากิน
อันนี้มาเลยปลาสิ
นั่นแหละ
มองหน้าเมื่อวานไหนมา
เขาไปซื้อมาอีกแล้วเป็นเลือดน้ำประจาน
ครับครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดี
Khao ji sticky rice patty. This is very filling, but very good and good with chili pepper.
มายาย
มาแล้วก็นั่งมา
เบิ่งดูในวิดีโอหัน
Let's give the fish a try.
ได้หรือว่าเนี่ย
ยังถุงกับอาจารย์ว่าไปกินมื้ออื่นเนี่ย
It's very sweet and really like kind of melts in your mouth. So happy right now. Isaan food's my favorite. One thing there's a lot of this year is fruit. And this is really, really sweet. Oh, really sweet. That's some kind of, it's a salt, a little bit of a spice to it. And it's really, really good with the pineapple. Very sweet. This is called kai jiao. It's a Thai omelet, a Thai egg omelet. Everything is really good. It's a great day in Isaan. Yay. Yesterday was Paige's birthday. Actually, it's her birth month. Happy birth month. So are you 1 year older every day? Are you 1 year older every day? Well, on that note, I'm going to end the video. I hope you guys liked today's video of La Blah. And I imagine you can cook this with any kind of fish, whatever your favorite is. If you liked today's video, don't forget to click that like button down there. And while you're at it, please subscribe. I've got a hot chip challenge knocking on my door. I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers. When I get there, yeah, I might need an ambulance. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.